Hello all, welcome to the Microsoft 365 Administrator channel. This video is about how you can install applications without using a browser. Um, in Windows 11 there is also in Windows 10 since last update there is a tool called winget, and with winget you can download applications from the command line. So let's get into it. Um, the first thing you do is open Start and search for command prompt. And what you can do with this is that you can say run as administrator. When you click this, it will prompt if you really want to open this, and you can click yes. And the command prompt is for a very long time it's already being part of Windows, and it's a tool to run scripts and to check things, and basically you can install all kinds of things with the command prompt. It's a very handy tool. Um, First of all, what you can type is winget, and if you press enter, um, you can see what it can do. So there are a few commands available, like install, show, search, upgrade, import, export. But the main thing we want to do is to install, for example, like 7-zip. So what I can do, I can type in winget search, and I type in 7-zip. So now it's searching for the application. It's because of I use winget for the first time, I get a question if I want to agree to the source agreements, and I type in yes. So now you see what I've found. So main thing is what is important is that you have to install the 7-zip. Well, I think the fourth entry is the right one. So now you have to type in to install it, because I've searched it. You have to know the ID to install it. So if I now type winget install and I type in 7zip.7zip and I press enter, it will download the 7-zip application and it will install it. So now it's downloading, and this will take a few moments, and now you see it will be installed. It's really quick because 7-zip is a very small application, of course. And to see if it worked, I can right click on, for example, Edge, show more options, and now you see I already have the 7-zip possibility. So 7-zip is now installed. You also can do this, for example, for Adobe Reader. So if I type in Reader, Adobe Reader or Adobe, let's search for Adobe. You can see all kinds of applications. The main thing I think is you want to install Adobe Acrobat Reader. So I type in winget install. You have to know the ID, of course. That's adobe.acrobat.reader.464 bit. And when I do that, it will grab the download link. And this is a bit of a bigger install, but it basically works as the 7-zip install. So with these tools, with winget, you can search for applications. You can install applications. You can uninstall applications. So this download takes a while. So I will leave this open for now. but you can search for applications, and most of the default applications people use you can find with winget. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much.